the snow is about to come. I don't think this was a really good idea, but we're gonna brave it anyway. Wish me luck. Strawberries, they'll definitely not keep if we lose power, but they're delicious. Apples will keep. At the store today with the Wilson Staff teddy bear. It's made out of premium kip. You see that new logo there for 2025 that was only in Japan, sold by Sports Sakurai out of Osaka. It's got that great deep shape like all 87s do, and that premium kit is just luxurious to the touch. And it looks great. Well, looks like we're not getting ground beef. Gotta get black beans for my daughter. They are her favorite. Gotta get breakfast burritos. No eggs at all. Can't forget the vegetables. Oh. Oh my God, get in the bag. First try. Even though I don't need them, it's a shame they don't have them. Okay, I think we're done. Let's get out of here and go home. No matter how hectic the world gets, don't forget to be kind. Return your carts and straighten them up. Let's go. I know it's a blizzard, but how do you run out of butterscotch crimpets? Dang it!